Hi, I'm Dick Norris from Scripps Institution of Oceanography, representing the organizers of the Impact Workshops on Scientific Ocean Drilling. I'm here to invite you to participate in one or more of the events in our workshop series. Our goal is to examine the role of scientific ocean drilling in three topic areas: engaging the public, informing policymakers, and preparing the next generation of scientists. Through keynote presentations and panel discussions, as well as breakout groups in the three virtual mini-shops, we will craft recommendations for a communications, training, and outreach program for the scientific ocean drilling community. Each mini-shop is built around a couple of hours of virtual discussion over 2 days. We will craft discussion papers from each mini-shop to inform a future in-person conference. So if you'd like to have input into the future of these topics, please register and add your voice to the discussion. So what is scientific ocean drilling? An international consortium of scientists and science agencies have explored the ocean's geology since the late 1960s. This international effort, involving researchers from many countries, has collaborated through 4 phases of scientific exploration of the Earth's system, from the deep-sea drilling program to the current International Ocean Discovery Program. Now we are planning the next 25 years of big questions to be solved through scientific ocean drilling. The Impact Workshops will help chart this next phase of scientific research and how we communicate our findings to the public, policymakers, and the next generation of scientists and educators. Released in the fall of 2020, the 2050 Science Framework sets out a strategy for the next 25 years once this current phase of scientific ocean drilling ends. The report lays out new scientific programs in 7 strategic objectives, 5 flagship initiatives, and 4 enabling elements. The strategic objectives are broad themes that explore how Earth's systems are interconnected. These range from the origins of life to the threats of natural disasters, and from tsunamis to the possibility of runaway climate change. Some objectives include studying problems with direct social impact, like predicting hugely destructive giant earthquakes. In other cases, we address blue sky research, like drilling into the Earth's mantle. We recognize that many big questions can only be answered by sustained campaigns. These are encapsulated in 5 flagship initiatives. These big questions are supported by 4 enabling elements, which enhance the research program by fostering collaborations, communications, data sharing, and training. It is with enabling element number 1, broader impacts and outreach, that we need your help. The first of our 3 virtual mini-shops focuses on public engagement. How do we tell the public about our discoveries in the most engaging way? What themes and techniques will spark interest and curiosity in the story of how our planet works? Some of the questions we will address in the mini-shop are: how can we foster partnerships and collaborations between your community and scientific ocean drilling? What questions do you have about deep ocean exploration and how the Earth works? What videos, social media, curricula, books, or events work best for the people you work with? How do the people in your community connect science and cultural worldviews? Our second mini-shop addresses policy elements of scientific ocean drilling. Our science reveals threats to society and offers early warnings. We are also discovering new genetic and mineral resources, as well as knowledge about how the oceans might help reset Earth's climate balance. We also have a stake in advancing U.S. leadership in ocean technology and discovery. Do you design, write, or promote public policy? Do you want to promote U.S. leadership in ocean sciences? Do you rely on scientific ocean drilling for your research and hope to share your work more closely with policymakers? Does your organization need to consult on geologic hazards? If you can relate to any of the above, we'd love to hear your thoughts and insights. Our third mini-shop is on training the next generation. There are many scientific disciplines that overlap and work together on every single scientific ocean drilling expedition. There are also many kinds of experts, from engineers to ship operators and technicians that support each research project. So how do we best communicate these potential career paths and support students from all areas of STEM in their interests? Further, how do we engage people from all walks of life to create the most diverse and insightful next generation of research leaders? When it comes to preparing the next generation, we have some preliminary questions to start our discussions, highlighting the issues that we think need to be addressed. We're hoping to engage in discussion with representatives from education of all stages, from early career researchers to informal educational organizations, who can help guide our future initiatives. We hope that you've found this short overview of scientific ocean drilling interesting and look forward to seeing you at the Impact workshops.